So many people wanting to know what the outcome is, what the next step is in this case. And let's talk about that, because we have this formal arraignment that's going to be happening, these charges. And we always remind people, even though there is an alleged confession in this case, we have someone turning themselves in, we have text messages, we're still likely going to hear a not guilty. But walk us through what these steps are looking like behind the scenes, Michael.
So behind the scenes, obviously, he presumably has an attorney appointed by the court. Presumably, this attorney is scrambling and figuring out what type of defense could he ever do in order to sue for some sort of a plea. Behind the scenes, on the state side and the federal government side, there's a big communication and coordination between the federal authorities and the state authorities, and they've got to decide who's going to bring the charges first. If they're going to be federal charges, they're brought in federal court. If they're going to be state charges, then they're going to be in state court. If it's going to be a combination of both, I think it's going to be in federal court. This is where the Attorney General of the state of Utah is working hand in hand with the U.S. Attorney's Office in Utah to decide who's going to bring the charges. Where, is he going to be extradited from one prison to another prison within Utah? And so this is what's happening behind the scenes. There's a ton of information being passed between these authorities. Presumably, people have flown out to Utah. Any decision maker is going to be on the ground, and they're assessing the damage, they're assessing the situation, and what charges to bring.